Hi everybody, today we're going to make a delicious, easy salmon dish together. First we must have all the ingredients. Salmon of course, garlic, salt, pepper, and olive oil. So simple, isn't it? So one of the most important parts of this recipe is the freshness of the garlic. So I usually buy a whole garlic and peel it myself at home. I think that 10 cloves of garlic will be perfect for this piece of salmon. Alright, now let's get started. First I'm going to peel the garlic and grind it. It's going to be loud. Next, I'm going to prepare the salmon. I'm going to lightly sprinkle a little salt and pepper on the back of the salmon to season it. If you like your salmon saltier, then you can sprinkle a little more. Okay, now that we turn it over and lightly sprinkle salt and pepper on this side in the same way. Next, you'll want to apply a thick coat of garlic on it. And when applying garlic, you'll want to make sure you press firmly to make the garlic stick to the salmon. It might seem tedious, but it makes a big difference. After this, you'll want to lightly sprinkle the salmon with some salt and pepper again. But be careful because if you sprinkle too much, it may get too salty. Now that the preparation is all done, let's start heating up the pan. We're going to put some olive oil on the pan and make sure you don't do as much as I'm doing right now. We'll want to heat up the pan to medium heat. The intensity of the fire is very important. Once the pan is hot enough, we'll want to place the salmon on the pan with the garlic side down. So now let's go over and get the salmon. Now, to prevent the spread of heat and oil from flying everywhere, I'm going to cover the pan with a piece of paper towel. You can also use a piece of aluminum foil to make sure that we don't let the fire go everywhere. Now we're going to cook the salmon for about 6 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you'll want to make sure that the garlic has turned brown, and when the color becomes brown, you'll want to turn it over and fry it for another 2 minutes. I usually am cooking for more than one, so now I have 3 pieces on the pan. Now it's done, serve the salmon on a beautifully decorated plate and enjoy.